Hello everyone, welcome back to Program Sampai. In episode 1, we have successfully installed Ubuntu in your Windows system, how to install GNU COBOL, and we learn how to create our first program, Hello World. If you haven't watched episode 1, I strongly recommend you do that first before continuing. Today in episode 2, we will move one step closer to writing real-world COBOL programs. We will learn 3 very important COBOL statements: accept statement, picture statement, compute statement. And by the end of this video, we will build a simple program to calculate the average of 3 numbers. So what are these statements used for? Display statement will output the result to the computer screen. Accept statement is used to request data from the end user. Picture statement define the variables of the working data that we will be using in the program. And finally, compute is to perform arithmetic operation. Okay, let's start. First, let's fire up our Ubuntu. Okay, so we have our Ubuntu already fire up in our system. And let's go back to our directories. Let's first check which directory are we. Okay, let's go to directory cd COBOL. List the item. So let's go and run the first program that we created last time. Okay, so we have that program running. Now for the lesson 2, let's copy first. cp hello.cob lesson2.cob. Okay, now that you have copied the file to lesson2.cob, let's edit the lesson2. .cob. Okay, to save time, I have already created the program and I will just run through the program. So we change the program ID to lesson 2, yeah, and then here we create a new statement called working storage section, yeah. This is where we declare all the variables. So we have num1, num2, num3 as data to be entered by the user, and total number, total n, is the summation of all these numbers, and then average number is the average of all these 3 numbers. And these 2 new variables, z total n and z average gn, is to format the output into to suppress the zero, any front zero that resulted from the operation of the computation. Now the syntax is simple. We ask user to input the numbers, calculate the total, and calculate the average. So here we have the display, just what text to be shown in the screen, and then we have this command called accept num1. Yeah, this is where you get the information, get the data from the user using the accept statement. So we have the accept number 1, accept number 2, accept number 3, and here we use the command compute to get the total numbers, yeah, and compute again to get the average. And down here we have a formatted zero suppress. in case the numbers that the computation resulted in something like 00 something, so we're going to suppress those 0. Okay, now that you have created the program, what we can do is just save this, Control X. Yep. And then we're going to run. We're going to compile this program. So just similarly, we have COBC minus X lesson2.cob. Now we're going to run this. We can just check first, ls. Yeah, there's lesson 2 already.